Students, today we are going to discuss how to find the side of right angle triangle with sine cos tan. Suppose we have triangle ABC. First we have to define what are these sides. In front of 90 is always hypotenuse. We called it as H. We will write it as H. The side with angle is always your base. And the side opposite to angle is perpendicular. We called it perpendicular. Or we can call it as adjacent. Okay, perpendicular or adjacent. In this case, we will use as perpendicular as P. Okay. To memorize the formula of sine cos tan, you have to memorize this sentence. Sentence is some people have curly brown hair through proper brushing. Okay. We will take first alphabet S for sine theta. Theta is basically angle. As for sine theta, some people have P for perpendicular over hypotenuse. Okay. Then C for cos theta curly, B for base, H for hypotenuse. So cos theta is equal to base over hypotenuse. Then we have T for tan theta. Theta is basically angle, tan theta through proper brushing. So this is equal to proper brushing, P over B. Okay. Now we have decided this is hypotenuse, this is perpendicular, this is base if angle is here. Okay. Suppose we have 42 as an angle and base is 15. Okay. And we have to find perpendicular. Okay. Base and perpendicular. First we have to define which formula will be more accurate to find out the perpendicular, where perpendicular and base has been used. Okay, this is tan theta which has perpendicular and base. So we will use tan theta. Theta is basically angle, theta is 42, and through proper perpendicular is not given, so we have to find perpendicular. Base is 15. So over 1 we will cross multiply. So tan 42 into 15 is your P, which is your perpendicular. So after calculating, the value will be equal to 13.51. 13.51 be your perpendicular. Okay, this is first case. Okay, now we have second case where we have base and we have to find hypotenuse. And side with angle is base and in front of 90 is always hypotenuse. We have to find hypotenuse. And this is base. This is your base. This is hypotenuse. So first we have to define where base and hypotenuse is used. This is cos theta. This is an base and hypotenuse is in cos theta. So cos theta is 37. Cos theta is base is 5 over hypotenuse is x. Okay. We will cross multiply. So cos 37 times x is equal to 5. Now cos 37 is multiplying. We will divide on other side and we have, so cos 37 is multiplying, we will divide on other side. So x will be 5 over cos 37. You can find this with calculator. It will be your final answer. This is second case. Okay. Now we have third case. We have AP5 we have angle here and hypotenuse. Always 90 in front of 90 is hypotenuse. We have to find hypotenuse. Okay, I told you the side where the angle is base. So here will be your base. This will be your base. Okay, and first there was angle here, so this was base. No, angle is here. Now this is base. This is perpendicular. This is your perpendicular value. Okay, now we have to find hypotenuse. We have perpendicular and we have angle. Perpendicular and hypotenuse is used in sine theta. Okay, in sine theta. So theta is 37, sine 37 over perpendicular is 5 over hypotenuse is x. We will just cross multiply x into sine 37 is equal to 5. 37 is multiplying, will divide on other side sine 37. So this will be equal to 5 over sine 37. After calculating, answer will be 8.3 approximately. Okay, so this side is 8.3. I have discussed all the possibilities of sine, cos and tan, where we have to use sine, where we have to use cos, where we have to use tan theta. Okay, to memorize this you have to use this formula, sine, cos and tan. Okay, thank you for watching. Kindly like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more updates.